Guys, Calvin Zahn here, back at you another video, and today we are going to be testing out this paper airplane. I've already tested it out off camera because I barely just started recording after because I just came up with the idea, and I'm not the one who made these. That was my little brother who threw that at me. This is yours, right? This one?
Yeah.
No, that one's yours.
No,
this
that
one?
one's his.
Oh. Okay. So anyway,
Here, pass it
the
back.
one
Pass
who
it back.
made the airplanes. Show your face
What's up, guys?
and tell him your name.
My name is Chaston, and yeah.
He has his own channel called Chaz. He hasn't really posted anything, but yeah. Okay, so we're gonna be testing this. You ready? 3, 2, 1. On my opinion, that was
Crappy.
really bad at throw. That was a really bad throw because I've gotten a better one. But let's try a different throw. That's a little weird. Okay. That one was a little bit better, but it needs like more. It needs like more altitude to start from. If you guys are wondering, this airplane's a glider, so if you're just trying to see, like, this is a good airplane, a good model of an airplane to make. If you're trying to go for like a school contest to see if your airplane will fly the longest or glide the longest. I necessarily say it's gliding because it doesn't have an engine, it can't go off by itself, and it won't stay in the air for more than 2 minutes. And that was
Sorry, guys,
little brother's. And anyways, so that's been the video about this airplane. Subscribe, like, and go check out my little brother's YouTube channel.